Welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Shree. Today I did this Ariana Grande inspired, 7 rings inspired makeup look. It's one of her first looks, and I really hope you enjoy this look, and subscribe and comment below what you'd like to see more of. So I'm just brushing my eyebrows through with this Anastasia brow pencil. So I'm just brushing them a bit straight because Ariana Grande likes her eyebrows pretty straight. So we're gonna go in and give it a straight shape. So next I'm taking the MAC Painterly paint pot and just putting it all over my eyelids to create a base for the shadows I'm about to place. So next I'm taking this Too Faced Peachy Mattes, and I'm just dipping into all of these and just starting to define the crease. So next I'm taking this purpley shade on this flat shader brush and just dipping that in. And I just sprayed it with some MAC Fix Plus. Okay, and then you just want to place it on the lid. To add a little bit of pink into that purple, I'm going into the Huda Beauty nude palette, and I'm picking up the color Daydream, which is this one right here, and just placing it right on top of that purple. And I'm just picking up the Inglot in 77 and this Makeupforever brush and dipping that in. Next, I'm going to be using these false lashes by Tati. This is how they look. Make sure you cut them to your shape because these are really long. Next, you want to apply the lash. I'm just going to use my hands, but you can use tweezers if you're using it on a client. So I do want to keep my skin luminous because in the music video, her skin is pretty luminous. So I'm using the Tatcha Dewy Mist, and I'm just shading my. For foundation, I'm mixing the NARS in Barcelona with the Giorgio Armani in 7.5. I'm just mixing on top of my hands. On top of my palm. I mean hand. I can't talk. Let's just establish that. I'm taking this foundation brush and just applying it. Then I'm taking this damp beauty blender and blending all that in. So to color correct under the eyes, I'm taking this MAC palette and this double-sided brush and using the smaller side and dipping into these color correcting shades. And just blending it underneath the eyes. Then I'm going to take the NARS concealer in medium 1 custard and just use that to highlight. So underneath the eyes. nose, forehead, chin, cupids, and your laugh lines. I'm just gonna blend all of that out. Then once you're happy with that, time to set it. To set it, I'm using the Guerlain setting powder and translucent. I'm just dipping that and setting. To warm up my face, I'm using this color foundation by William Tullier, and it's in the shade Toasted. So I'm just gonna dip some on the excess on the back of my hand. For bronzer, I'm picking up this Morphe shade with this It Cosmetics brush. I'm just setting the foundation I just placed. So from Luminous Cheeks, I'm using these Cover FX Halo Drops. I'm just placing them. Like so. And just blending with this brush. Then I'm gonna take this Skinny Dip by Jouer and just taking some of it for the middle of my nose through the center of the face, especially on the Cupid's bow. Then I'm gonna take NYX and Gypsy Dreams and just line, I mean not line, just fill my lips. I don't have a lip liner for this color. Then I'm gonna top that off with this Milani. Just much more purple than pink. So I'm gonna add some mascara under for the eyes. Then I'm gonna take one of these bindies, not this side. Well, there you have it. That's the Ariana Grande 7 Rings inspired makeup look. So for the eyes, I'm taking the Huda Beauty and Bubblegum, and I'm taking the matte shade and then just putting it all over my eyelid. Next, I'm taking this Just Peachy palette by Too Faced, and I'm just taking a blending brush and just taking a bunch of those colors and just blending this through. Then from the Dose of Colors palette, I'm taking a little bit of this pinky color here. And I'm taking the Inglot gel liner in 77 with this Makeupforever brush. And just going ahead and winging it. For lashes, I'm using my current favorite, which are the Lilly lashes in Ash K Holm style. They're super wispy and fluffy, so I really love them. And I'm taking my favorite eyeshadow glue, which is the Duo. So after the lashes, to finish off the eyes, I'm going to take a black eyeliner and just tightline the upper waterline. I'm going to take the darker colors in this Just Peach palette, so these colors here, and just apply it on the bottom waterline. I'm taking a Makeupforever lip liner in Anywhere Caffeine and lining my lips. Just gonna overline a bit. Then I'm taking the Dose of Colors in Truffle and filling in my lips. Then I'm gonna take the Too Faced Glitter Pop in Super Fun Night and just putting it on the top of my lip like this. Well, there you go. That's the second look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorials, and please comment and subscribe. Bye!